Tavish, the living legend. The same man who managed to break the vice in the workshop and somehow cut himself with a saw. You would think that after that he'd maybe tone it down a little, but no, not our Tavish. Today in geography, he decided it was time to challenge the very foundations of hydrology. So there we were, peacefully learning about surface runoff, when Tavish raises his hand like he's about to deliver a groundbreaking scientific discovery. He looks our teacher dead in the eyes and goes, "Sir, why is it called surface runoff if water doesn't have legs?" The silence that followed could have drowned a small village. The teacher just blinked, like he was deciding whether to laugh, cry, or retire on the spot. But instead of answering like a normal human being, our teacher apparently took that as a personal challenge. Without saying a word, he grabs some poor kid's desk, tilts it at a perfect 45-degree angle, and then casually pours his water bottle across it like he's auditioning for a BBC Nature documentary. Water is now flowing majestically down the desk and onto the floor, and the class is collectively losing its mind. Tavish is sitting there nodding like he's just discovered gravity. At this point, I'm convinced our teacher is one dumb question away from summoning the entire water cycle right there in the classroom. Next week, Tavish is probably going to ask how clouds work, and Sir's going to pull out a humidifier, some chalk dust, and a dramatic monologue about condensation. By the end of the semester, we'll have monsoon season happening between the whiteboard and the window. Honestly, like and subscribe because someone needs to stop Tavish before the school ends up on the news as local secondary institution accidentally creates its own ecosystem.